Question: prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. That is, sum of n natural numbers is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. So to prove this one, proof method 1. Method 1 is, let the given series be S, that is S is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n minus 1 plus n. Give this to number 1. Now again you write this same series in reverse order, that is n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus etc. up to 2 plus 1. This is 2. Now add these two series, then this 2s is equals to n plus 1, this n plus 1, n minus 1 plus 2, n minus 1 plus 2 plus n minus 2 plus 3, n minus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to this 2 plus n minus 1, that is 2 plus n minus 1 plus last term, that is 1 plus n. 1 plus n. So now this 2s is equals to the first bracket is n plus 1 plus second bracket is n minus 1 plus 2, that is again it's n plus 1 plus third bracket is n minus 2 plus 3, that is also n plus 1 plus etc. up to last but one term, that is n plus 2 minus 1, that is n plus 1 plus n plus 1. So how many times n plus 1 here? N times. That is 2s is equals to how many times n plus 1? N times, that is n into n plus 1. That is s is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the result, that is sum of n natural numbers is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Because we consider sum of n natural numbers as s, we got s as n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is our method 1. Next, method 2, geometrically or visual proof we will see. So method 2 is, so you take one grid which contains 1 2 3 4 5, that is 5 columns, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows, that is you take the grid of 5 by 6. So now this grid contains how many dots? 5 into 6, that is total number of dots 30. Now what I do is, I will divide this grid into two halves, that is two equal parts. Now this above part contains 30 by 2, that is 15 dots, and below part contains 15 dots, that is 5 into 6 by 2. I am considering that below part contains total number of dots 5 into 6, that is 30 by 2. Now this can be written as, now we will count the number of dots in below part. That is this first dot, 1 dot, here 2 dots, 3 dots, plus here 4 dots, plus 5 dots, 4 dots plus 5 dots. So the total number of dots is equals to what? This 1 plus 2 plus in below part is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is 5, sum of 5 natural numbers. That is equals to 5 into 6 by 2. Therefore, if you calculate this one, it's 30 by 2, that is 15. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is also 15. Therefore, 15 is equals to 15. Now what you do is, in general, you take the grid of, you take n by n plus 1 grid. You take n by n plus 1 grid. That is, here this is columns. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. You take n columns and n plus 1 rows grid you take. Now the total number of dots in n by n plus 1 grid is equals to n into n plus 1, or n into total number of dots will be n into n plus 1 grid. Similar to this one, you divide that grid into two equal parts like this one. Therefore, if you consider the below part or above part, the total number of dots will be half of the total number of dots in complete grid, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. So that is equal to, similar to this one, if you write the number of dots in any one of the part below or above, the number of dots will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to here up to 5, then 5 into 6 by 2, here up to n. That is, if we write this in reverse order, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus etc. up to n is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. That is, sum of n natural numbers is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the proof by method 2. This is method 1. This is method